Bet you didn't know. You can use Coca-Cola to clean your toilet and even get rid of stubborn stains from mineral deposits like limescale due to buildup of magnesium and calcium carbonate from hard water. I know what you're thinking. What kind of square flushes all this Coke down the toilet? According to old ad slogans, you're supposed to drink Coca-Cola because it's delicious and refreshing and revives and sustains. Maybe, but it still revives and scrubs stains. That's because it contains phosphoric acid, which eats away at limescale and even rust and corrosion, making it easier to clean. Here's how. Turn off the water at the valve, flush the water out. Flush it again to get rid of the remaining water from the tank. Scoop out as much of the remaining water from the bowl as you can with a cup. Preferably one you don't plan on using to drink Coke out of. Grab a 2 liter of Coke, pour it into the toilet. Fill enough to cover the stained portion of the bowl. Let it sit for a few hours, as long as overnight for heavier buildup. Pour some more Coke into the bowl. Grab a brush and scrub away the stained section. Turn the water back on at the valve and let the toilet refill. Flush away the remaining Coke and stain residue. Once the toilet refills, give it another once over with a toilet brush and flush it one more time. Tests have shown that Coca-Cola commode cleaning is real magic. However, like drinking too much soda, you may want to refrain from using this particular method too frequently or aggressively, as it could actually stain your bowl. So, will only Coke work? We have Pepsi products. Will that be okay? All right. Okay, I get it. What you want is a Coke, but you can also use competing pops like Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, or Tab. Yes, any soda that contains high levels of phosphoric acid should suffice, but I don't think they make Tab anymore.
Security in the beverage aisle.
What about 7-Up or Sprite? Clear-colored sodas do contain phosphoric acid, but typically not at the levels that colas do, so they'll be less effective. When it comes to soft drink sanitization of stained surfaces, I guess you can't beat the real thing. This video was created for editorial, educational, and entertainment purposes only and is in no way affiliated or sponsored by Coca-Cola or Big Soft Drink in general. And if you learned something there, please like and share.